ndumiriri cia maheni iria ikoretwo ikinyagio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ciegemaine na namba ya arutwo aria mahutirio ni mutino wa mwaki thukuru-ini wa Hillside Darasha kaunti-ini ya Nyeri niciukirirwo na igakumithio ni thirikari. Kuringana na minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki, thirikari ndiri na gitumi o giothe gia kuhitha a Kenya undu ona umwe wigemaine na mutino ucio, guku akiruta mukana na kuria andu aria maratheremia ndeto icio gutiga amu ni ndeto irahutania na ugitiri wa bururi.
I want to appeal to the people of Kenya, including the people in the social media, to take national security and public safety issues with a little more sensitivity and decorum.
Kindiki hamwe noguo atheretie ati gatagati-ini ka arutwo 168 a imwana aria mari nyumba-ini iria yahutirio ni mwaki, 140 mari na aciari ao, kuria na watatu mathiete na mbere kwamukira urigiti, guku akiuria muingi kugia na uigiririki wa miario.
Security communication is sensitive. It must be done carefully by the right person who has the authority to say that. There are some things even myself I cannot say. I will defer to the relevant agencies to say it themselves. So let us be careful, because it is clear, dear Kenyans, it is clear that we lost children and it is bad.
Ona kuri uguo mihango ya postmortem ni iratwarithio na mbere kuri miri ya ciana 21 thibitari-ini wa Narumoru. Kindiki akiuga ona waciari aria mahutirio ni mutino ucio ni mathiete na mbere kwamukira motaro thibitari-ini uyu.
It is such a serious matter that you would be a very heartless human being to try and trivialize and cast aspersions or try to make that matter look like it's a small matter which is subject to banter and debate.
Honge cia uthuthuria hamwe noguo iri mihango-ini ya gukurana kiria giacungiriirie mutino wa mwaki thukuru-ini uyu. Kindiki akiuga thirikari ni kuheana riboti nginyaniru uthuthuria warikirira.
Tumechukua chembe ambazo zitatumiwa katika kutambua miili ya hao watoto ili tuwapatie wazazi wao waende wakawapumzishe, na serikali itatoa msaada wowote ambao utahitajika kusaidia familia hii.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.